Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to become a master planner. Now it's so important, especially after you've written that vision statement for your life's purpose, soul calling, anything you want to call it. After you've written that, you want to turn that intention, that dream, that vision into action. And there's no better way than to begin to plan your time. Planning your time transforms your busy work into your life's work, where you're filled with more energy, purpose, and productivity. And it's also a great way to be able to prioritize and set your projects and tasks every day. If it's not a priority, it shouldn't be on your calendar. And your calendar not only books you up with productive time, but if you do that right, you get so much free time at the end of it because you've actually been productive. So immediately, right off the bat, I want you to make sure you have the Google Gmail calendar app or your calendar app on your iPhone and begin using it. Look at your vision statement and reverse engineer the things that must be done and put them in your calendar. Things I like to plan out are key projects, rest and rejuvenation time, and personal growth time, that time where you can learn and develop yourself. Those three things need to be scheduled. And on top of that, you have to have scheduled time for your family, friends, relationships. So make sure you begin with that and just reverse engineer, look at where you want to be and reverse engineer key times. And when you plan out productivity blocks, make sure there's no distractions, and so no social media, no email, and no other people telling you what to do, and get the work done. Do the work. So once you have that, you are able to say no to other people's false emergencies because you have something tangible to say, I'm doing this at this time for this long, and I don't want to be distracted. That is the key to productivity, so I hope you do it. That's all I really wanted to say. Thank you.